we're gonna make a humba. This is a Filipino food, Filipino cuisine. I already put oil in here, so the pan is gonna get a bit hot. Even out the oil in there, and we're gonna put this is a pork belly, 700 grams of pork belly. We're gonna brown a little bit each side of it. And be careful because it's the oil is jumping. Yeah, like that, jumping around. Okay, I remember the English now. It's sizzling. It's sizzling too much. Okay. Ouch. The oil is jumping. My God, what an English. English in Bisaya, in English. Why nada? Here. So we're gonna wait and flip this one upside down so the other side gets brown also. So we will be right back after this. Up here, I think it's ready to be placed now. After this one get brown the other side, we're gonna add the spices in here. Got really stuck on the pan. Kind of hard to flip because I'm holding the camera also. It's not that love.
And with the spices, are done.
Oh, who are you?
I'm checking out the cooking. So far, it looks pretty good.
Really?
Yeah. Did you make me any?
Of course, you can have some.
How much?
As much as you can.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'll leave us some also.
You just said I could have the whole thing.
Okay.
What is that?
Humba.
What's that?
Camera.
What?
Camera. You're in camera.
Humba?
Yeah.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, it's a food. It's a pork.
Really?
Yeah, move na. Move. Come back later.
Alright.
I forgot the black pepper. I'm gonna add some. I won't add the salt because I have to put a soy sauce and fish sauce in here. So I'm not gonna add no salt in here. I think it's ready to put the spices now. I'm gonna put first the okay. So I think anything you can put first. So I have to put everything in here, but one at a time, I guess. So I have here a laurel leaves and whole black pepper. So like that. And I have to add the garlic. A lot of garlic in here. Garlic. And I have here white onion. And this is a nor cube. This is not called that one sponsored. I just love using that. Okay. Then I have here, I have 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of white sugar. I like mixing this sugar together because white sugar is sweeter than brown sugar, so I have to add a little bit in there. Now we're gonna add, this is a humba with pineapple. I'm not gonna mix the pineapple and they're just the juice of this pineapple. And this is not sponsored also. I just like using this brand. So it's in there. Now we're gonna add, this is a combination of 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. I combined them already in here. So we're gonna dump this one here. Yes, like that. And also I have this, but I'm gonna add this one later because this one get softer so fast. I just add this one for flavoring, but that really mix in the sauce. Now I'm gonna stir this. And after I'm stirring this, I'm gonna cover this one and cook this until it's tender. But I'm gonna add water so it won't get dry up so fast.
Got your body now. Got your body. Got your body. You don't care about me having your body? You don't care. Wait till I get arms.
Okay, now it's done mixing. I got a hard time of mixing this because my pan is really small. Now I'm gonna add water. The water I'm gonna add to this one is labeled enough to the meat. See, that's it. I'm not gonna put too much water in there. Like that. If you like it kind of dark color, you can add more soy sauce in this one. But for now, that's it right now. Because this one will turn really good later. Okay, we're gonna bring that one to boil. Okay, it's boiling already. Now we're gonna cover that one and bring that one into a low flame so it won't burn and start cooking good. So it's covered up right now. And we're gonna wait and keep shaking it out. Here's the humba already. It's almost done. Now I'm gonna add the bell pepper and the green chili in there. And I forgot to show you that I add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste in there also. See, it's kinda red. So I like on the humba kinda red like that. It's gonna be good after it's done. You have to cook this one really tender that make the humba really taste good. You don't want a tough humba. Some people cook humba and it's kind of tough. It don't taste right. You eat the food you eat is like you're chewing a rubber. You know those rubbers. It's really tough. So you have to make this one really tender. If this one get dried and it's not tender yet, you can add more water but not too much. It still turn out good. So when it dry up and it's not tender, add more water a little at a time until it's done. Smelling good already. Smell like humba. I don't like putting black beans in my humba. I don't like that. What's that? It's called that one. Puso ng saging. They call this string. It's really salty and I have that one right now, so just leave it. But black beans, I don't like it in my humba. I don't like the taste and the smell of the black beans. It's looking good already. Okay, here's my humba. It's done already. It's already tender. Really good.
Oh gosh.
It's done. Ready to eat.
Steamed eggs, macaroni and cheese, humba, healthy, dangerous.